Did you know that out of 8 hours in a theme park, you're going to spend approximately 30 minutes on attractions and all the rest of the day just queuing? Wouldn't it be nice to visit a park which is nearly empty and you can jump on and off any attraction, decide which attraction you're going to do, when and how many times you're going to ride it? Well, you know what is possible, and in this video I'm going to show you how I identified the best day to visit Gardaland in Italy around Easter. But this technique works with any park, anytime. I've used the same to visit Phantasialand in November with those results, so definitely that was a really good day to be in the park. First thing, get rid of Saturday and Sunday, any bank holiday, any national holiday, and also all the half term when the schools are closed. In this way, you're going to identify the best day to visit the park. Now you want to check if your guess is correct against historical data. I'm going to put a link in the description of a database which records all the queue time, waiting time for any attraction in any park in the world. And what you need to do is identify in the past a similar day to the one you are thinking about visiting. To do so, go in 2018, forget about COVID, and identify a similar day. In my example, it's going to be the 4th of April because Easter was the 1st of April. Let's see how the crowd was on that day. We are now on the website, and as you can see, they are showing the live queue times, and also there is a bit of forecast they do, but we're gonna check the historical data on the similar day that we selected. We said 4th of April 2018 to get rid of all the COVID period, and we're gonna see if on that date the park was empty. There you go, 1% is the crowd level, and the waiting time of all the attraction, it's below 10 minutes. So clearly this is validating our guess. This website, the link is in the description, covers most of the theme parks all over the world. So we got Six Flags, we got all the Merlin, we got Disneyland, we got really lots of parks around the world. Also, you can see all the statistics, the data for the single park, and if you select a single ride, you're going to have all the fun facts about it and all the queue time historical, so by year, by month, and all the different statistics. It's also showing downtime of a ride and really tons of information that you might find fun facts. It's worth mentioning that theme parks do the forecast themselves. So on expected low crowd days, the opening times might be shorter, or even some parks might be closed. In this example, another Italian park on the same date is not even gonna open. I hope you find this video useful, and it's gonna help you to identify the best day to visit the theme park you are desperate to go to. And if you like the channel, please subscribe. Bye!